Pydantic AI's tool filtering mechanism lets you control which function tools an LLM can see by wrapping a callable inside the PrepareTools capability, filtering tool definition objects before they reach the model. The visible pattern pairs a run context-accepting async function with an agent instance configured through its capabilities parameter. The code that follows sets up an agent with two plain tools, registers a delete-read pair via at agent tool plain, and passes a hiding function to PrepareTools so that any tool whose name starts with delete is excluded from the model's view at runtime. From Pydantic AI import agent, run context, tool definition. From Pydantic AI, capabilities import PrepareTools. Async def hide danger ausgex. Run context none, tool defs. List tool definition, list tool definition. Return TD for TD and tool defs if not TD. Name starts with delete. Agent equals agent OpenAI. GPT-5. 2. Capabilities equals PrepareTools dangerous. At agent tool plain. Def delete file path. SDR. Delete a file. Return f deleted path. At agent tool plain. Def read file path. SDR. Read a file. Return f contents of path. Result equals agent, run allo. Hash the model only sees read file, not delete file. Filter tool definitions per step via PrepareTools capability. The hide dangerous function filters out any tool definition whose name starts with delete before the model sees them. Using at agent tool plain registers delete file and read file without needing run context. And passing the filter as a capability to agent means the LLM never even knows delete file exists. This is the built-in guard clause approach for dangerous tools, no subclassing, abstract capability needed. Trade-off is it's purely name prefix-based, so if you need richer logic metadata matching, dynamic conditions, you'd subclass, abstract capability, and override PrepareTools. For straight prefix filtering though, PrepareTools is the minimal surface area. Let's break it down. From Pydantic AI import agent, run context, tool definition. From Pydantic AI, capabilities import PrepareTools. Imports agent, run context, and tool definition from Pydantic AI, and PrepareTools from Pydantic AI, capabilities for use in building an AI agent. Async def hide danger ausgex. Run context none, tool defs. List tool definition, list tool definition. Return TD for TD and tool defs if not TD. Name starts with delete. Defines an async function, hide dangerous, that takes a run context none and a list of tool definition, returning a new list excluding any tool whose name starts with delete. Agent equals agent OpenAI. GPT-5. 2. Capabilities equals PrepareTools dangerous. Creates an agent bound to OpenAI, GPT-5. 2 with a PrepareTools capability that applies hide dangerous to filter tool definitions before each step. At agent tool plain. Def delete file path. SDR. Delete a file. Return f deleted path. Registers a plain tool function named delete file that accepts a path string and returns a confirmation message. The at agent tool plain decorator marks it as a tool without needing agent context. At agent tool plain. Def read file path. SDR. Read a file. Return f contents of path. Registers a tool named readFile that accepts a file path string and returns a placeholder string with that path embedded. The at agent tool plain decorator marks it as a tool without agent context access. Result equals agent, run allo. Hash the model only sees read file, not delete file.
Calls the agent's synchronous run method with the input hello and stores the returned run result in result. The comment clarifies that only the read file tool is visible to the model during this run. Delete file is not exposed. The whole thing is one idea. Register every tool you need, then strip the dangerous ones before the model ever sees them. PrepareTools takes an async filter function that receives run context and the full list of tool definitions and returns only what you want exposed. The hide dangerous function does exactly that with a simple prefix check on TD, name. At agent tool plane registers both delete file and read file without needing run context, but because delete file starts with delete, it never makes it to the model. The trade-off is the filtering is name prefix-based only. Rich logic would mean subclassing abstract capability, but for straight prefix filtering PrepareTools gives you the minimal surface area and skips the boilerplate of a full capability subclass.
The hidden delete file waits while the model names read file and never asks what destruction would feel like.